Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to say, show you. I made this slime at camp where we go to do our schoolwork because our mom got a new job, so yeah, we have to go to camp, so yeah. Anyway, our teacher at camp made the green slime. And I made the big Chungus blue slime. So yeah, so I'm going to be showing them to you, and right now they're right over here. So yeah, and I might want to take my collar off because I don't want to get all slimy. So yeah, I'm going to be testing the slime out, and yeah, so I'm going to be jumping in the slime. So I'm gonna take my collar off. So hold on, sorry, I have to put you down for 1 sec. Okay. Alright, let's just move it over there. Okay, let's get this slime started. Oh wait, restart that. Okay, let's get this party started, yeah. Okay, first we're gonna move the slime over here. And this icky slime. Yeah, she made a whole batch of this, but then she only gave a little to us. So, yeah. So, oh my dog, this is, it's actually sticking to me, guys. Okay, put my face in it. Okay. Okay, it actually got stuck. No, it didn't. No, okay. Okay, so I'm in this slime. That was a funny noise. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it out, but I'm in it. Yeah. Okay, let me get out of this slime. Okay. Alright, I have a little bit stuck to me. Just put it back in there. Okay, now I'll be testing. Is there any? Oh, this. Okay, the sticky tack on the bottom of me. I don't know why. Cause I was wondering why I was sticking to the table. Anyway, alright, time to test out the blue slime. Okay, I want the blue slime in a ball so I can jump in it. No, wait, I'm gonna stand here and then I'm just gonna throw the blue slime. I am gonna throw the blue slime on Chase, so yeah, so I am ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay. This is just kinda what LPS Kit Kat did. Kinda. Yeah, let's just get him out of here. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. The blue slime is not very sticky, but it's because I didn't put enough activator in that one. So, well, the teacher didn't put enough activator in that one, so that's why it's a little bit sticky, but who cares? It's still slime, guys. It's still slime. Oh, hear this satisfying noise. I'm gonna play with it for a couple, and then I can bring Chase back in. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let Gianna, which is me that I'm playing as this little pet shop right now, have fun with the slime. So, see you guys later. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set you down. Okay. So this slime is super cool. Okay, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this, guys. Okay, so I'm basically just doing this. Super cool. I could do it with the green slime, which is small. Then hear this, guys. Look at the satisfying noise. Wait, no, I'm gonna do it on the blue one because it's bigger. Oh wait, I didn't do it. Hold on. And like, it's so stretchy. Hold on, I need both of my hands for this. So let me show you guys. Look at this. Woo! It's so stretchy. And let me see if I can make a bubble. Okay. Let's get all the slime. Then when I do make a bubble, I'll just hurry up and put the camera down before it pops. Okay, let's try and make a bubble. Whoa. Oh, and it popped, and the slime just... Oh, did you hear that, guys? Did you hear that? Okay. Okay. Let's do that again so we can hear the satisfying noise. Yeah, I did. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys, that's so satisfying. Oh my gosh, this is like fluffy slime. So cool, guys. Alright, I think I'm gonna bring Chase back in. Okay, come here, Chase. Hey guys. Wait, no, let's do that again. I have an idea. Hey guys. I'm just kidding. Okay. Hey guys. So I'm back. Ugh. Ow. Oh, at least I bumped on the slime and then did that, but at least I bumped on the slime. Okay, whatever. I'm about to end this video on the slime. But first I want to play with it a little bit more because it's like super satisfying. Look at this. Whoa. I'm going to put it really close to the camera. I'm going to put it. Woo! That is so cool. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to like keep on doing this until it's like... You know what? I'm going to do it to the green slime because the green slime is... needs to be like you know, like stirred up. So yeah, I'm just gonna like stir this up. So oh wait, can you put it on top of my head like you did with the blue one? I think the green one is much stickier than the blue one, and I don't want and I don't want it to get stuck in your neck right here. So please. Fine. Yes. Okay, I'm ready to go. Ooh. Yay. Really? Okay, I'm just gonna end this video. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. See you later. Bye guys.